They misclassified units as low risk, forcing families to fund repairs after insurers rejected every disaster claim. I'm Daniel Morrison, 43, Mesa, Arizona, risk assessment consultant. I live in a 240-unit HOA condominium. Our building has documented fire safety deficiencies, inadequate sprinkler coverage, outdated electrical systems, combustible exterior cladding. Independent assessment rates us high risk. Year 1, I review HOA insurance policy. Risk classification states, low-risk residential, modern fire suppression, compliant electrical, non-combustible construction. All false. I asked Thomas Caldwell, HOA president, why we're classified as low risk with documented deficiencies. He says, high-risk classification means premiums are 3 times higher. We classified as low risk to maintain affordable insurance. Year 3, electrical fire starts in Unit 2B and spreads through exterior cladding. Fire damages 67 units. Total losses $8.9 million. We file claims. Insurance investigates and discovers buildings were misclassified as low risk, when actually high risk with documented deficiencies. They deny all 67 claims for material misrepresentation. They void policy retroactively. Zero coverage. The 67 families face $8.9 million in fire damages with no insurance. Thomas says, the fire would have occurred regardless of risk classification. That's when I remember what I actually do. For 15 years, I've been risk assessment consultant and insurance compliance specialist. I document independent assessment rating buildings, high risk, insurance policy classifying as low risk, documentation of fire deficiencies including inadequate sprinklers and combustible cladding, board minutes showing Thomas stating they misclassified to reduce premiums, denial letters citing misrepresentation, assessments showing $8.9 million losses. Arizona law requires accurate risk classification. Deliberately misclassifying high-risk property as low risk constitutes insurance fraud. Fire inspectors sent 4 violation notices over 2 years. Insurance agents requested updated assessment 3 times. Thomas ignored all and maintained false classification. I file criminal complaint with Arizona Attorney General. The 67 families file class action. AG finds Thomas deliberately misclassified risk, knowing it would invalidate coverage. Thomas is criminally charged with insurance fraud, breach of fiduciary duty, and reckless endangerment. He faces up to 7 years. He's fined $225,000. Thomas is ordered to pay $8.9 million in uninsured damages distributed among 67 families. HOA is fined $2,400,000. Class action awards families additional $3,800,000. 5 months after fire, Thomas is arrested. He pleads guilty. He's sentenced to 5 years and ordered to pay $15,100,000 in restitution.